Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a review on the new Bloodlust palette. I'm so excited to be able to unbox, swatch, review, do an eye look and all that with this palette. Oh my gosh, the packaging is amazing. So I went to Morphe this morning. I picked this up along with this. I got these set because I don't know, I just love the whole vibe. Purple is my color, so like I definitely love purple and the whole queen bitch situation. I'm keeping this packaging forever. Even though I own two of these shades, I still bought the minis because I needed them. So I've decided that I'm going to be giving away another one of these palettes. It's $12.39 right now Eastern, and the palette launches on his website at 1 or Beautylish, I don't know. So I'm gonna get on there and get, first of all, the highlighter for me because I want that highlighter, and Morphe didn't sell them, which I'm really upset about. But I'm also gonna get another palette for one of you guys. I'll have all the instructions for the giveaway down in the description box, but please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and also be active on my videos, be a loyal subscriber, be a loyal viewer, actually watch my videos. And I'm going to be picking a winner in 2 weeks. Today is the 21st, so it'll end on March 6th. So yeah, if you want to win the Bloodlust palette, just the palette, then go ahead and follow the rules in the description. And yeah, before I get into the review though, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. You know you want to join my fam because no better fam on YouTube. And yeah, let's get into this video. I am keeping this carton forever, guys. It is such luxe packaging. Like, you can tell that he put a lot of effort into this packaging. I'm not gonna lie to you though, I think I prefer the Blue Blood and Blood Sugar packaging because it's just easier to store. This is like bigger than my face. It is ridiculous. I have no idea where the heck I'm gonna put this without damaging it. I definitely want to display it, but I don't have a vanity right now, which is really annoying. I'm afraid to open this without, like, I don't want to mess this up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Look at how pretty that is. It is definitely luxe packaging. He said something about in his video about how this packaging is supposed to really protect the palette in shipping. So I think it's really great that he's thinking of his consumers in that aspect. It's actually velvet. Oh my gosh, it's hollow. Like, not hollow, but like there's like an indent in here. And I love the crown, and yes, I did my nails to match the theme. I am that much of a hardcore Jeffree fan. And oh my god, the little knob. It's definitely luxe packaging. I love it. So I thought there were less eyeshadows, but there aren't. I'm not gonna lie to you, when I saw the color story, I wish it was a little bit more like the other two Blood Sugar palettes. I really like the idea of a solid color scheme, like a monochromatic. Even though I said in my anti-haul I was done with the monochromatics, I like that idea. I like the Blood Sugar that it has mostly reds. I like Blue Blood that it has mostly blues. I thought this one's gonna have mostly purples, but then there's this random red. And honestly, this is my favorite color of all time. I love teal. Teal is one of my favorite colors. Like, purple is another one of my favorite colors. So I'm definitely gonna utilize this palette more than I thought I would, like when I first saw it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have no idea what look I'm gonna do though. So excited, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do is swatch everything like I always do, but I need to watch the time because it's almost time. I have everything logged in already. I'm reading a gobstopper. So let me actually wait and swatch this until after the launch because I want to make sure I secure myself the highlighter and get another one of these for you guys. So I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I managed to snag another palette and myself the highlighter. I'm so excited to be able to give back to one of you guys. So it is official. I got it, and it's 1:02. I literally checked out like 3 minutes ago. I think it was before 1 o'clock. But anyway, back to this, guys. If you could only feel it, like I wish you could reach through your computer screen and feel it. It's actually velvet. I'm so excited. And this is like such a like luxe, I don't know, I keep saying luxe because I don't know what else. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the palette so you guys can see all the shades, and I can see so many ways, so many different combinations, so many ways I can use these different colors. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching. So the first one's called Your Majesty, and it's a bone color, like a white highlighter shade. It's matte, so I guess it would go on the brow bone or the inner corner. The Jaclyn Hill palette had one similar, and I'm like, come on, put some shimmer in that so I can pop it in the inner corner. I like to have more of a shimmer in my inner corner, but that's just me. The next one is Take the Crown. Wow, that is stunning. My swatches are horrible, so sorry. But then we have Deviant, and it's a matte purple, so a matte like lilac, I guess. Wow, it's so nice. And then we have Beauty Sleep, which is more of a pink shimmer shade. And oh, it's stunning. To be honest, that would look really pretty in the inner corner as well. I think he wanted to step on the pastel trend that's happening, so. All right, next we have Wet Jewel. Oh, this is such a nice pink. This is like one of those like glitter. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know what kind of formula, like what he calls this exactly, but it's definitely, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I don't know if you could see like the pearly reflex it has on it. I'm gonna do another swatch. It has like gold, pearlish. I don't know how to, oh my gosh. By the way, my hand is stained yellow from a P. Louise base that I used the other day. I promise you, I tried to scrub it off and it didn't work. Now we have Royal Pain, which seems to be like a mauve-y, like it looks like a really nice transition shade. Then we've got Dungeon, which is like a really deep, like matte purple, like a royal purple. Beautiful. And then we have Scandal Water, which is more of a lilac, like a blue purple. I don't know. I'm really bad at describing colors. Next we've got Sworn Enemy, which really intrigues me because it's that like purple, green. Oh my god, what's wrong with me today? Oh, it's so pretty. It has like gold flecks in it. Oh my gosh. And then we've got Pink Magic, which I see as more of a purple, but that's my interpretation. Maybe swatch. Look at how pretty that is. Yeah, that's pink. That's more pink than purple. Oh my gosh. And then I really love this shade. This is Bleeding Heart. It's the one that, oh, it has a Bleeding Heart stamp on it. Wow, that's pretty. This is the red one. It has some shimmer in it. So I wanted to use it in my crease today, but it has shimmer. Wow, that swatched so well. Did you guys see that? That was such a beautiful swatch. And then we've got Executioner, which is a deep purple with glitter. I definitely want to do some sort of smoky eye. Actually, it looks more like black. It looks like my nails. My nail's supposed to be purple, but it looks black, right? That is gorgeous though. It has definitely purple sparkles in it. Oh my gosh, I love it. These 4 swatches swatched so well. I am very impressed. Oh my god. Next we've got High King, which is like a deeper purple, like a deeper mauve matte color. Oh, that one has a beautiful stamp as well. It's like a what's it called? Not a sword, but a staff, I guess. Then we've got Vivid Mood. I am having trouble seeing. And this is like a lavender, a matte lavender. Definitely good for the crease. Then we've got Monarchy, which is a like beige transition shade. Kind of boring to be honest, but it's swatched nicely. Then we've got Blood Queen. This one. Oh, this is a matte purple. I definitely think it's harder to formulate purples, which is probably why he didn't have more purple in this palette, but that swatched really nicely. Honestly, this one might be my favorite shade in the whole palette, and it's not even purple. We've got Vile Serpent, and it has a serpent stamp on it. It's so pretty. This is literally my favorite color, like of all time. This is like a teal. Oh, it swatched so nicely. I'm so excited. And then the last one we have is Betrayal, and it's like a shimmer, a purple shimmer. I definitely wish that there were more deep purples in this palette, but I'm pretty happy with the way everything swatched, with the way everything looks and the color scheme. I love pastels, I love purple, I love all the colors in this palette. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna take is Blood Queen. You know, I gotta have that matte purple in there. I have no idea what look I'm going for today. I'm just gonna do something pretty basic just to test out as many colors as I possibly can in the palette. I'm gonna try to build it up slowly so I don't get a lot of fallout like I tend to do. I think I'm gonna go for like a normal shape today. I almost feel bad ruining the stamps in all of his palettes, so I try to go around first. I'm so silly, I know. Damn, the Extreme Frost is sold out. I fucking knew. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I wish there was like at least a matte black or something to deepen this even more. I am building up this shade to my liking. I totally just noticed that this has like protective foam. I thought the mirror was super scratched up for a second. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Vivid Mood, and this is just like the lighter purple. You know what, I'm gonna go in with High King instead. So let's see how High King looks. So far it built up really nicely. I'm gonna probably have to put a little bit more. Yes, this is exactly what I was looking for. So I'm just gonna place the product down first, and then I'm gonna take a different brush to kind of blend it out. So I realized like I'm starving, so I'm gonna go eat lunch and I'll be right back, okay? I promise it's gonna be quick. Okay, probably not a good idea to eat spicy ramen because my nose is watering, my eyes are teary. and now everything's falling apart, but it's all good. We're gonna keep going. I just realized that a way I could give more dimension to my crease is by adding the darkest purple shade, which is this one. I was like, there's no deeper shade of purple, but I'm wrong. Like, this one's here, like I gotta use it, right? So I'm gonna take this little tiny fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna dip into it a little bit. It's really freaking pigmented. Earlier I was like, I wish there was a matte black. Really? Hello, there's a matte purple that's deeper. And I'm just gonna take that into the crease, and I'm probably gonna go over it with the original shade I started with, just to like give more of a gradient effect to the blend. So now taking the original Blood Queen shade. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. More of a gradient effect on the crease, and adding that darker shade, a little bit of that darker shade into the crease really helped. Okay, so I just went ahead and cut my crease so we wouldn't be here for like a year, because that takes me like so long. But now it's time for the lid shade, and I think I'm gonna take the shade Pink Magic, which is this insane, like beautifully colored one. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna try it on a brush first, because I do have a hard time with my long nails. I'm gonna spray my brush with, of course, you know, some Jeffree xTCmyF setting spray. Oh no, I wet the palette. This shade is so pretty. When I swatched it, I was like, I need this on my eyeballs right now. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Pretty freaking obsessed. The stamp is already coming off, and that hurts me. I don't know why. I thought it was like gonna be too sheer, like it's more of like a topper, but no, it's pretty opaque. Okay, now I'm just going to fix the outer edges of all this, and like starting with that like deep shade that I just took, and just blend that into the like lid shade. I'm gonna take a little bit of that deep shade and just make sure the outer edge has plenty of it. Pretty stunning, guys. Pretty obsessed with this. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the Pink Magic shade and just like blend that into the other shade. So now it's time for the lower lash line. I really hope this doesn't mess up the entire look, but I'm going to take Vile Serpent because I'm dying to try this shade. It's one of my favorite colors of all time, and I think it'll look nice with the rest of it, right? And if it doesn't, oh well, too bad. I love it already. I'm crazy, I know. Can you even see how that looks? It actually like complements the purple really nicely. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I went ahead and put on some lashes, and now let's do the inner corner. So I'm torn between Wet Jewel and Beauty Sleep. I think I'm gonna go with Beauty Sleep at first, and if that's not intense enough for me because I like a bright inner corner, then I'll go in with Wet Jewel, I think. But this one's like super pretty. It's like holographic. It's got like a really nice duochrome. Oh, that's pretty. And I think I'm gonna leave it at that. It's super pretty. Obsessed. And now I'm just going to apply some white eyeliner. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I just use a pencil brush, a really like fine liner brush, to apply this. All right, for lips, I want to go ahead and swatch all of these to see which one I'm going to choose. This is what the set looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have a feeling I know which one I'm gonna choose, but I want to go ahead and just swatch all of them. So the first one is Royal Armor. And it looks like this, and honestly I think this is the one I'm gonna use. This looks so pretty. It has like sparkle in it. Yep, definitely in love. It's very sheer. I would have to build it up. I'm sure I can though. Next we have Vulgar, which I'm so excited about. This is like the reason I bought this entire thing, to be honest. But I don't want to use this one today. I think it doesn't really match my aesthetic today. It's definitely like it's got like a metallic sheen to it. So pretty. Oh my goodness. And then we have Royalty, which I already own, but I'll swatch it for you guys anyway. I own it from this set, and let me just find it. Here it is. It's the same thing. It's Royalty, and I've used the crap out of it, to be honest, as eyeliner, as you know, a lot of eye makeup, and then I've even used it on my lips as well. It's actually almost dry, so I'm glad I have another one. And then we have Scorpio, which is like a taupey color. I've been wanting this shade, to be honest, and I think it'll look really good with purples. Maybe not today necessarily, but it's really pretty. And then we have Virginity, which is just a lighter version of Scorpio. Oh, it's more like iridescent kind of. it's just a much lighter. I wonder how that would look on my lips, to be honest. Then we have Blow Pony, which I just got in the mystery box. I got the full size, so I'm not opening the mini until this one's completely dried out. Blow Pony is totally my vibe. I might end up going with that one with a little bit of Royal Armor in the middle. I think that'll look really pretty. Then we've got Clout, which is another like metallic taupey color. It looks like a literal silver. Oh, so pretty, like a gunmetal color, super pretty. And then we have Berries on Ice, which looks like I'm Vulgar but without the metallic aspect. Oh, it's much deeper too. So pretty. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with Blow Pony, and then I'll put a little bit of Royal Armor like in the center. We'll see how that goes. I love Blow Pony. I haven't been able to use this yet, so I might do Royalty on the side as well. Just like an ombre lip liner kind of thing. Gorgeous. But I'm gonna put a little bit of Royalty and do like this ombre thing. I was not expecting to do this, but why not? I totally just realized that this does not really match my eyes. The lips doesn't really match my eyes, but I'm still so in love with this look and the way it turned out. But yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. My overall thoughts on the palette, I do wish there were a few more like purple shades, purple shades. You have some really nice ones here, and I think the look I created really embodies purple, and I love the teal pop of color that I have going on as well. I'm really obsessed with how this turned out. Overall, the palette's really nice. I think you can create so many different looks. I think it's definitely worth the money. This is such luxe packaging. I'm so happy with this palette and the collection. I love the lippies. I love purple. If you love purple, I highly recommend that you get this, that you check this palette out. It's amazing. And yeah, don't forget to enter my giveaway. The instructions will be down below, and I will choose a winner in 2 weeks like I said. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you consider subscribing before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.